any confidential information like phone numbers or addresses. All right, today's date is January 3rd, 22. In County, Texas, I call cause number 38356 in the interest of the Carver children. What's the state?
Yes, Your Honor. Teresa DePoister, Assistant Attorney General for the Office of the Attorney General Child Support Division. I have an agreement of the parties I'd like to announce, but first I would ask the court to take judicial notice of the pleading before the court, which is a motion to reduce to judgment and to modify, and that attached to it was a financial statement.
All right. Present by audio and video, or by telephone? No, by audio and video is Maricela Rodriguez. Are you ready to proceed, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Also present by telephone is Johnny Carver. Are you ready, sir? Mr. Carver, I need you to unmute so I can hear you. There we go.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. DePoister, I take judicial notice of the contents of the court's file, in particular, the pleadings on the motion to modify and any attachments to that.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I'd offer as State's Exhibit 1, a current financial statement that I have submitted to the court electronically. I've gone over the figures with the parties.
Admitted as State's number 1.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd like to make an announcement of the agreement of the parties. As to the modification, Your Honor, parties are in agreement based upon Mr. Carver's current income that the current child support will be modified as of February 1st to $523 a month. And there will be a step down of $407 when the older child emancipates. And then the health insurance is government health insurance with a reimbursement of $50 a month to the government to begin February 1st as well. There is a small arrearage. We'll take our judgment as of the last day of last month, Your Honor, and set a payment of $50 a month on that to begin February 1st as well to cure that arrearage. And that's the agreement of the parties.
All right. Ms. Rodriguez, let me ask you, is that in fact your agreement today?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it in the best interest of your children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Carver, is that what you're agreeing to today?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also in the best interests of the children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then I'm approving the agreement. I'm going to waive court costs since you worked hard to reach this agreement. Ms. DePoister is going to prepare that order for my signature and I will sign off on it. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody could request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Vanderpool and he'd start over and make his own decision. If nobody does that, this order starts to become final and you should get a copy either by email or by regular mail within about 2 weeks. If you don't get one, please call the Amarillo AG's office and just remind them to send you one, all right? Ms.
Yes, ma'am.
Rodriguez, thank you so much. Mr. Carver, thank you, sir. You're both free to go. Good luck to you and your family in this new year.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.